diving into the Belgian way of life. On my trip through Flanders, I visit the northeastern part of the country around the city of Lommel. Lommel is known for its glass art, which you can marvel at up close in the Glasenhuis Museum. The exhibits, as well as the architecture of the building, are truly unique. I am able to reconnect with nature at Center Parks the Vossemeren. Here, I hire an e-bike for the day to explore the beautiful natural landscapes around Lommel. I can cycle right up and into the treetops in the artwork, the Boom Inn. Other works of art and friendly neighbors greet me on my way. The junction network for cyclists is so well developed here in Flanders that I can easily find my way along all the cycle paths, even as a visitor. After a long day on the bike, dinner tastes twice as good. Last but not least, I visit the Lommelse Sahara with my guide Fred, a natural landscape full of surprises. Here too, I am greeted by the playful works of art by Will Beckers, right in the forest. In the Sahara of Flanders, huge sand dunes were once formed by sand mining. Today, however, nature has reclaimed most of it. A real spectacle, especially now in autumn.